Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechTube. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to search movies in Amazon Prime Video. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, make sure you've downloaded Prime Video app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and sign in. Also, make sure you have an Amazon Prime subscription. Then on your screen, you can see their search option right at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Once you tap on search on your screen, you can see there's a search bar and genres. You can select the genres like comedy, documentary, drama, fantasy, kids, romance, science fiction, or anything. Or another way to go is tap on that search bar and type in the movie you want to watch. Then they're gonna give the results. You can also filter the results by tapping on the results. Under filter, you can see you can select genre, video quality, content type, or if it's free to you or not. And guys, that's it. That's how you search movies in Amazon Prime Video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.